Now we have a circuit with two current sources. Okay, keep in mind that current sources must be connected in parallel. You cannot connect the current sources in series. Okay, so keep in mind that anytime you connect two current sources together, they must be connected in parallel. So when the direction of current sources is the same, so it means we have to add these two currents. So I total is equal to my IL. Okay, this is my current IL, and this is simply equal I1 plus I2. So this is equal 1 milliamp plus 3 milliamps. So IL, which is also equal my I total, is equal 4 milliamps. Okay, and the current, the total current, is going to flow in this direction. Okay, so this is the solution to my problem.